are going to solve the linear equation containing fractions. So from the topic also you can get some kind of idea. So here we are having x plus 3 upon 2. This is equals to 11. This is our question. We have to solve this. Look at this. There is a unknown quantity, linear equation. This is the linear equation, means that is equals to something, and here there is a fraction as well, all of them together. First you have to bring the dividend 2. Okay, for the whole value there is a dividend 2. If like this, x plus 3 upon 2 equals to 11, you cannot bring this 2 as a direct multiplicand. Okay, you cannot do that. But here the total value in numerator that containing 2 as a denominator. So you can bring that 2 as a multiplicand. 11 times 2. So x plus 3, that should be equals to 22. Thereafter x, that is equals to 22 minus 3, it should be 19. X should be equals to 19. It is really simple. And in the next question, 2 times m upon 3 minus 1. This is equals to 10. Let's have a look. Carefully you have to try to understand. This total value multiplied with 2. Total value multiplied with 2. So I will bring this 2 as a dividend first. 2 as a dividend first. So m upon 3 minus 1, that is equals to 10 divided by 2. This total multiplicand 2 became a dividend. This is equals to 5. So m upon 3 equals to 5 plus 1. And m should be equals to 3 times of 6. 3 times of 5 plus 1. We will have the answer for m as 18. Simple. So we know how to solve the linear equation. Yeah, that is incorporated with fractions. That is the only new thing. So in the first question, x minus 2, that should be equals to, the dividend should become a multiplicand. 7 times 6, it's 42. So x is 42 plus 2. Negative 2 will become positive 2, it's 44. Thereafter 2a upon 3, that is equals to 7 minus 1, 6. And thereafter 6 times 3, 18 divided by 2, a would be equals to 9. And in the next question, 5 times y plus 18 equals to 60. So 60 minus 18, y should be equals to 42. Then for the final question, 3m upon 7 equals to 6. So 6 times 7, it's 42 divided by 3. M is equals to 14 for the last question. Next type of question with unequal denominators. The denominators are unequal. We know how to simplify that one. While we need to add two fractions, the denominator should be same. If not, we have to make both of them as same. Here it is 4. We have to check whether we can convert 2 to 4 as or not. We can multiply the first fraction by number 2. So it is x upon 4 plus x upon 4. That is equals to 7. Without equalizing the denominator in fractions, you cannot add them. So you have to make them as equal. Thereafter 4 and 4, that is the common denominator. Add the numerator. 6x plus x, it is 7x. That is equals to 7. So 7x equals to 7 times 4, it is 28. So x would be equals to 28 divided by 7, it is 4. X is equals to 4. The denominators are not same in fractions. You have to find their respective equivalent fractions, multiply the denominator to produce common denominators. Thereafter you can add the fractions. And one more question. Here I am having x plus 3 upon 2 minus x plus 1 upon 3. Here also the denominators are not same, so I will multiply. Before starting to multiply, definitely you have to indicate brackets for the expression. Not only one value, no, there are two values, so you have to indicate them inside brackets. That's must. Then I will multiply the first fraction by number 3. Second fraction should be multiplied by number 2. So 3 times x plus 3, that is upon 6, minus 2 times of x plus 1 upon 6. Then we will do the expansion. Sorry, this is equals to 1 upon 2. It's equals to 1 upon 2. We'll keep that. So the simplification would be 6. I will expand 3 times x, 3x, plus 3 times 3, 9. This is not only 2, negative 2. Negative 2 times x, negative 2x, negative 2 times 1, it is negative 2. That is equal to half. 3x minus 2x, it is x, plus 7 upon 6, that is equals to half. That's equal to half. Thereafter, I will write the rest of the question over here. X plus 7 upon 6 equals to half. That means no worries. What you have to do, just 6 is the dividend here. You have to bring that one as a multiplicand. So x plus 7, that is equals to half multiplied with 6. Half multiplied with 6 means 2 and 6 can be simplified. It will give you number 3. So x would be 3 minus the positive 7 will become a negative 7. Finally, x is equals to negative 4. That is the final answer. I will repeat the question from beginning again. First, properly identify the LCM to make them as the common denominator. Thereafter, respectively multiply both fractions by their corresponding numbers. Then expand each bracket. So in question, sometimes they will only give you the value. So that does not mean this negative belongs to only this x. This negative totally belongs to both x plus 1. So definitely you have to indicate some brackets. If not, you will end up with the wrong answer. Sometimes without bracket, look at this. You will only multiply 2 into x. It is negative 2x. You will keep the 1 as it is. It's incorrect. No? It should be 2 times x plus 1. Thereafter expansion 3x minus 2x, x plus 7 upon 6 equals to half. Then the dividend 6 became a multiplicand. Half times 6, 3. X should be equals to 3 minus 7. It is negative